In this video, we'll guide you through building your first accoMASTERDATA visual in Power BI. Once you have your connection set up, you're ready to build your visual. Begin by pressing on your visual and opening the formatting pane on the right side of your window. Here you will see 3 different field options: row IDs, measures, and metadata. Insert your ID column in the row ID field. This is your unique identifier column. Now you can add attributes in the measure field that describe your row ID. This can be columns like price, color, name, checkmark, and similar. To insert them into the table, they have to be defined as a measure as either a selected value, max, or min. Once you have your preferred data set up, you can customize your visual in several different ways. In the toolbar above your visual, you can create and delete a row in your table. Toggle between hiding and unhiding columns. Save the state of your visual after either filtering, ordering, or adjusting width and height of the columns. Last but not least, any additions, deletions, or modifications to the data are finalized by pressing the Save button on the right side of the toolbar. If you press on the Settings button in the toolbar, a more elaborate settings pop-up box will appear. Here it is possible to make custom configurations on your table. In the General pane, you can customize the toolbar and import and export JSON themes. In the Styling pane, you can select a predefined theme for your table or customize it to your preference. In the Column pane, you can adjust your column headers and select a predefined value for your newly created rows. In the Rule pane, you can determine the permissions of the end user, create input validation rules, conditional formatting, and cell locking. In the Dropdowns pane, you can enable dropdown on one or more columns by either selecting predefined values or create a more dynamic option. The Date and Time pane allows you to adjust the format of your date column. In the Grouping pane, you can chunk your data depending on one or more selected columns. The Calculation pane allows you to create custom-made calculations in your visual. This will appear as a new column. Last but not least, the Info pane can direct you to our online guides. Congratulations! Now you have set up your first visual in accoMASTERDATA. Follow along the next video to set up your audit log and dive deeper into the accoMASTERDATA universe. Thanks for tuning in.